3, 2, 1, we are live. Welcome to another unboxing video, and we have got something really special to be unboxed today. Black Friday just passed. You must have put in some good orders in there. I put in mine and I've been waiting for these for ages. I put in an order headphones.com for the VXR 100 Panther headphones. I am so excited. They've just arrived on special delivery. First of all, look at the design of this box. The edging, the logo, the quality of the craftsmanship just to the box. So just to receive that in the mail, I'm like, whoa. Okay, let's check this one out. Nice. We've got not only the headphones wrapped in some nice polished styrene, but I've also got a number of adapters and the bass unit, which I'm really excited because I'm a big gamer, big gaming fan. And apparently the bass unit is the thing that does the shakedown when there's the explosions on GTA Auto. I'm just going to be going crazy here. I can't wait. First of all, it looks beautiful. It's sleek. It's edgy. It's just all you want from design of headphones. But let's start. See how comfortable they feel. Nice. Really like spongy on the ears. Yeah, and I'm going to plug and play and see how we go. First of all, it's just really simple just to apply them. There's no complex maintenance or uploading hardware or anything like that. So let's have a look. Whoa! Whoa! These are the bomb! These guys are amazing. I was already feeling on the bass, seriously. Guys, I want you to check the link if you're interested down below, but please give me any feedback, comments, likes. Thank you for watching. It's been an amazing experience unboxing these headphones with you. Catch me next time. See you later.